Success teaches celebration, but failure teaches survival. Sweet victories delight us. It is bitter setback that shapes wisdom. Hardship is often the most honest teacher. In 2025, UPSC gave us the essay topic, Best Lessons Are Learned Through Bitter Experiences, inviting us to reflect on how adversity, crisis, and failures often leave deep lessons that comfort and success could not. Let's explore this through 8 dimensions. Number 1, adversity as a school of resilience. Challenges crave strength that easy days cannot. Example, India's freedom struggle drew strength from repeated setbacks, from the revolt of 1857 to Jallianwala Bagh. Number 2, failures as the path of innovation. Each failure removes illusions and sparks breakthroughs. Example, SpaceX rocket crashes led to learning that made reusable rockets a reality. Number 3, governance learns most from crisis. Policy flaws often surface only under stress. Example, COVID-19 exposed India's healthcare gaps, leading to new focus on digital health and vaccine production capacity. Number 4, economic corrections. Financial failures force reforms more effectively than prosperity. Example, the 1991 balance of payment crisis pushed India towards liberalization and globalization and global integration. Number 5, social justice born out of injustice. Oppression often triggers the deepest reforms. Example, the civil rights movement of the US arose from centuries of bitter racial discrimination. Number 6, personal growth through hardship. Loss and pain cultivate humility, empathy, and grit. Example, Abraham Lincoln faced repeated electoral defeats before becoming one of the most resilient US presidents. Number 7, environmental lessons from disasters. Ecological negligence teaches bitter but necessary truths. Example, the 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy led to stronger environmental and industrial safety laws. Number 8, when bitterness scars, not teaches. Some experiences leave wounds too deep for lessons. Example, the partition of 1947 scarred generations in India and Pakistan, where trauma often overshadows any learning. Bitter experiences can be harsh teachers, stripping away illusions of revealing deeper truths. They push individual societies and nations toward growth that success alone cannot. Yet, bitterness is not automatically wisdom. Its lessons emerge only when reflection and reform follow. Crisis will come, but whether they become scars or schools depends on how we choose to respond. Now that you've heard my take, write this essay in your own words. Share it with us in our Essay Excellence program. The first 100 essays will be evaluated absolutely free. And if you found this really interesting, do forward it to at least one civil services aspirant, because sometimes these thoughts can linger and help them improve the quality of their answers.